Joey's quite happy there. Oh, he's on you. This is a step forward, isn't it?
Oh my god.
Yeah, he's never done that with me.
Yeah, but the thing is, he'd come to you to eat food, and he'd go, move then.
It's probably what's about to happen, actually. Well. It's easy. Oh!
Right.
Bird on bird violence there.
Where?
They do that often?
Yeah,
Yeah.
couple everybody.
Joey! Fredy! What's the finger?
You get on the finger and then you eat it.
Hey, you got him on the finger. Now everyone gets their own popcorn.
Not my finger.
It does make me wonder why he likes fingers so much.
Rosie.
Yeah, Versy's like, let me in. I've been a good dog.
Never been on my finger this long.
Yeah, I'll try getting down there in a minute and try and get him to sit on my finger.
I just can't believe Joey went on me.
Yeah. Miracles.
Every time I've been near him, he runs away from me.
Same. We might get friendlier with you eventually if you keep doing it.
We've been on that popcorn for a long time now.
Oh, he's back on the thing. You come back out. Ooh. Hello. Would you like popcorn?
You got some, I guess, so.
Yeah. Ooh, I did not expect this to happen. Would you like it?
I'm gonna try getting on my shoulder. No, not my finger, there's popcorn there. Oh, bye then.
Popcorn?
Fredy will have it.
I think he might.
He said there's too much food.
He's staring. Well, I'm have it. I'm gonna have that bit of food. You come get it?
I think he's about to sleep.
You might do.
I'm gonna do one that's
Yeah. I don't know. I swear he just doesn't want Fredy to get near it. Yeah, you good boy, aren't you, Joey? Yeah, good bird.
oh, sorry. I think that's the downside of having him not on my finger, is like he falls off easily.
Mine now! Mine! He says mine now. Yeah, sorry, I don't have it anymore. He took it. So how dare he? You might as well just pop it in front of him. Before Fredy comes back for round 3.
Look what he's holding with his foot.
Yeah, I know. Alright there, boy. Is that a nice bit of popcorn? Oh, he's having it. Oh,
Record this.
one for the record books.
I don't know when this opportunity will come again.
No, that's a good point, actually. They're both being very lovely little birds.
What is he eating with his foot?
On top of Nan's abandoned fish tank. There's no fishes in here anymore. 'Tis a shame.
And I think doesn't just yank out my hand like someone.
You mean Fredy?
Yeah.
Over there enjoying his popcorn alone. Yeah, they're very good birds.